Fourth question. Never have I ever tried a food I thought I didn't like, but ended up loving. Okay, everyone needs to tell me this right now. I want to know. You go first, Carl.
It was croissant.
Yeah, I think we already knew that, Carl. What about you, SpongeBob?
For me, it was shrimp.
Ew, I don't like shrimp.
Shrimp is not bad. How about you, Caillou?
Mine was pickles.
Pickles are not bad, too.
I like pickles.
I would never eat a pickle in my life. No way.
You don't like pickles, SpongeBob?
I hate pickles so much, I will hunt down every pickle I see and throw them all away.
Okay, then. Fifth and final question.